Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at these motorized sharpeners. I really like this one. It's been with us for a while, during the pandemic mostly. I'm doing a review on this one because it's really good. The reason why I'm looking at this one is because it's lost its sharpener. It's how sharp the blade on it. So it was sharpened. This was already sharpened before, and this is as much as it's gonna get sharpened. It won't sharpen anymore. So it has two parts to it: the battery power and the hand crank one. So it won't move anymore, but it still won't work because the blade is no longer sharpened. We were gonna get rid of it, and buy a new one. But the motor still works on this guy, so it's a waste of money to buy a new one. I know they're not expensive, but I went online, I checked them out, and there's some replacement blades for them. And I thought you could just buy the actual blade and just screw it and unscrew it, but I think like $8 or yeah, $8, and you get 4 of them. And this was like, I think it was $10, and you just replace them by unscrewing this. And this guy is just, you just pull it out. That's all it is to replace it. And you get the new one. Just make sure you know what side it is. And it's so easy as just pushing it back in and just finding the right place, locking it in place. Brand new. And now you got, this thing has been with us for over, I'm gonna go 2 years, 3 years, maybe more. Sharpen hundreds of pencils, and I'm saying hundreds of pencils because my kids go through pencils like crazy. Through the pandemic, mostly sharpening every day. So this thing's gonna be with us for a long time, as long as the motor doesn't burn out. And now we have replacement ones for, like I said, it was $8 maybe. This thing was worth about $10, $12, and you got these for $8. And all I had to do is just replace the sharpener, the blade. And a lot of people don't know that. So check that out, guys. If you ever have a electrical sharpener and it's not working, it's not sharpening, don't just throw them out. Look for the blades. It's probably cheaper just to find the blade and replace them. See how easy that was? Just pop it out, put a new one back in. Is that easy? Actually, no. Why am I doing that? Just throw this guy in the trash. Get him out of there. It's that easy to replace them. So check it out, guys. Online, I said it was about $8, and places keep this one brand new. I said I love it because it's super compact, easier to put in the side, and it works amazing. So check them out. Find the replacement blades for them, and it's easier to just get rid of them and find them. Because sometimes you buy one that you don't see them anymore online, but the blades usually are replaceable for any other one. So check them out and find them for your own sharpener. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.